Hello guys, Rob here. There is a new benefit for Newdex VIP members. On top of the fee discount, the daily lucky draw, and the airdrops, Newdex VIPs can now claim monthly CPU stake. VIP 1, 10 EOS for 30 days, VIP 2, 50 EOS, 3, 100, 4, 150, 5, 200, and so on, all the way up to VIP 10, 600 EOS staked to your CPU for 30 days. This is a great new benefit for Newdex VIPs. As we've seen with the congestion and the testing on the EOS network, some accounts are running into issues and could use this extra EOS stake. So in order to claim this, either on the member page here, you just head over to the VIP tool section. And on the VIP tool section, you have the free CPU down here. This account of mine is a level 4 account, so I am eligible for 150 EOS staked to my CPU for 30 days. And the URL for this is just newdex.io/services. You can also access it from the Newdex exchange pair. So here I am on the NDX EOS pair. And all I have to do when on this pair is come right here to the tool section. And under the tool section, you can see the free CPU button. Click that. And here's where I can claim my CPU. Free CPU resources expire 30 days after claiming. After expiration, you can claim it again for free. So if you do need some extra CPU power and you are a Newdex VIP, head on over to this page and get your free 30-day stake. This can also be done on mobile, same way, going to the NDX EOS pair, coming up to the 4 squares up here in the corner and going to the free CPU. So that's how you do it on mobile. So that's going to do it for this quick one, guys. If you are a Newdex VIP and you need some extra CPU power, that is an option for you. Get a decent sized stake of CPU power for 30 days based on your VIP level. So definitely take advantage of that if you are in need. Have you checked out Telos yet? TLOS can be found on Newdex by going to the EOS side chain button and then visiting Telos. And here are the Telos markets we have on Newdex. Telos is currently running at 0% inflation and offering great REX returns thanks to the Telos Economic Development Plan. Learn more about Telos, get your free account, and learn how to REX your TLOS. Check out the link in the description. This message on Telos is brought to you with support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. But that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one.